吃不吃呀？
Hi, I'm Maruko. Today I'm going to make a dessert by 2 pieces of toast. First, cutting the edge of toast to make it fit the model's size. Then, prepare some black coffee with the cream cheese. The cream cheese must be taken out from refrigerator in advance to make sure it is in room temperature. With the fresh cream and keep it in refrigerator before using. Prepare an egg and divide the egg yolk and egg white. With the sugar, prepare some cocoa powder. There are the ingredients we need. Soaking the bread in coffee. We will use it later. Mix the cream cheese and sugar well. Add the egg yolk. Mix them well until it turns like this. Add the sugar into fresh cream. Blend them well until it turns like this. Put half of fresh cream into cream cheese. Fold them well. Then add the rest of fresh cream. Fold them well until it turns like this. Keep blending the egg white until lots of foam appears. Add sugar. Keep blending until it turns like this. Add the egg white into batter. Fold them well until it is very smooth. Then, prepare the model and put in the batter and toast. Freeze it in 3 hours or chill it one night. Add some cocoa powder. It's ready. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, please leave your comment.